When will Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra bugs and screen issues be fixed? Which Samsung phones are confirmed to receive the new Galaxy artificial intelligence features? Let's dive into the mega update I briefly discussed in the previous video. Although I mentioned this in the previous video, today's focus will be on providing more details about the update. Some individuals who pre-ordered the Galaxy S24 and received their phones early have identified a display problem. The positive news is that Samsung is aware of the issue and is working on a solution. According to information circulating online, a chat between a Samsung support agent and a Galaxy S24 user confirms that Samsung acknowledges the display issues and is working on an update to rectify them. The Samsung developer team is diligently addressing the problem, ensuring that the upcoming software update will resolve the display issues on the Samsung Galaxy S24. The new Galaxy S24 is equipped with One UI 6.1 and the January 2024 security patch, and the fix for the display issue is on the horizon. New bugs and issues. While specific timeframes were not provided by the support agent, there is hope that Samsung may address the display issues with the forthcoming February 2024 security patch. In previous videos, various S24 Ultra users reported diverse issues and bugs. 1. Robert Price highlighted non-stop crashes in Pokemon Go and stutters in dock and battle on the S24 Ultra. 2. Comic-Con Boo reported a problem with the Samsung messaging app incorrectly stating some files are too large to attach. 3. Sora Jane 10686 observed a 70% dullness in screenshots taken with the S Pen. 4. Real Ofer reported a green tint issue. 5. J5182 mentioned issues opening some Facebook photo links resulting in a black screen. 6. Ronald Joint 1169 faced difficulty pairing Bluetooth of the HEA Pilot Touring 2014 hands-free link. 7. Joe Per 9961 identified a software bug while streaming audio Bluetooth speakers. 8. Hamburger PC 9532 reported issues with the S Pen not working properly on the screen. 9. Asher 5372 raised concerns about grainy diagonal lines on low brightness. User reports highlight problems with the S24 Ultra, including performance glitches and software bugs. Fortunately, these issues are software-related, not hardware-related. Samsung plans to address and resolve them through updates aiming to improve the device's overall performance. If you own the new Galaxy S24 Ultra and are experiencing any of these bugs or issues, feel free to share your experiences in the comments section. List of AI phones. Additionally, here's a list of AI phones confirmed to receive the new Galaxy artificial intelligence features. Galaxy S24 series, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, Galaxy Tab S9 series. The Galaxy S24 series comes with One UI 6.1 and Galaxy Artificial Intelligence pre-installed. Other devices like the S23 series, S23 Fan Edition, Z Fold 5, Flip 5, and Tab S9 series will receive these features through a One UI 6.1 update in the first half of 2024. The Samsung Galaxy S22 and Galaxy Tab S8 series won't get Galaxy AI features, but the Galaxy S22 Ultra is expected to receive a One UI 6.1 update, according to Terran Vats. Great news for Galaxy S23 FE users. Renowned leaker Terran Vadenex confirms One UI 6.1 update in testing, with a rollout expected soon. Testing is also underway for S4, S3, S2, and other S23 models, along with their respective tablets. More bugs and issues. Here are some additional reported issues with the S24 series. 1. Videos recorded with the selfie camera in 1080p at high frame rates or 4K at 60 fps appear much darker. 2. Photos taken with apps like Instagram and Snapchat using the camera come out excessively dark. 3. Video quality is blurry and unclear during video calls on apps like WhatsApp or Facebook. 4. Wireless charging issues and overheating problems. 5. Frequent disconnection of wired headphones through the USB-C port. 6. Unexpected crashes of One UI software. 7. Missing features like changing sounds for the S Pen when inserting or removing it. 8. Connectivity issues with Android Auto's wireless connection. 9. Inaccurate FPS meter in games. 10. Signal reception problems, especially indoors. 11. Various camera issues including inconsistent colors and soft selfies. 12. Problems with the fingerprint scanner and default notification tones. 13. Compatibility issues with 32-bit apps. 14. Issues with the always-on display feature, including a red font and customization problems. 15. Difficulty connecting to 5 GHz Wi-Fi networks. 16. Mixed feedback on gestures and navigation in One UI 6.1. 17. Missing icons and voice input in the Samsung keyboard navigation bar. 18. Limitations in certain app features, like Motion Cam not allowing shooting raw photos. 19. Reported issues with AI features like the photo editor and tap to slow down videos. 20. Heating or charging problems with wireless chargers. As we all know, the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G is releasing, so let's talk about it. If you have already watched this video, you can skip this part. The much anticipated Galaxy A55 is on the horizon, and we have got all the details you need. Samsung's Galaxy A50 series has been a standout in the smartphone market, particularly for its impressive features at an attractive price point. Following the success of the Galaxy A54, Samsung is gearing up for the release of its successor, the Galaxy A55. Let's delve into everything we currently know about this eagerly awaited device. Going by historical patterns, Samsung typically unveils its Galaxy A series phones towards the end of the first quarter, so we can anticipate the Galaxy A55 to hit the stage around March 2024, following the release schedule of its predecessors. Shifting gears to variants and pricing, Bluetooth side data hints at 3 Galaxy A55 models: SMA556B, SMA556E, and SMA556E_DS. The SMA556B seems tailored for Europe, while the others may target Asian markets. While exact pricing details are scarce if we consider past generations, the Galaxy A54 at £449/$449, the Galaxy A53 at £399/$449, and the Galaxy A52 at £399/$499. It's reasonable to expect the Galaxy A55 to stay below the £500/$500 mark. Design. Leaked renders showcase the Galaxy A55 in 3 captivating colors: awesome ice blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy. Inspired by the A54, it features the key island design with a subtly raised frame around the power and volume keys, confirming a sleek metal build. The phone has rounded corners, a protruding rear camera array, and a flat display with a noticeable bezel and a punch hole for the selfie camera. Expected dimensions: 161.1 x 77.3, 8.2 millimeters, 6.3 x 3.0, 0.32 inches. Display. Now, turning our attention to the display. While exact details on the Galaxy A55's display specs remain uncertain, if Samsung continues with the A54's display, users can expect satisfaction. Speculations point towards a 6.5-inch flat display featuring a centered Infinity O front camera. Anticipated specifications include full HD plus resolution and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. Given the A54's impressive display, any enhancements in this area will surely elevate the overall user experience. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The Galaxy A55 continues the series evolution, moving from the criticized Exynos 1280 to the improved Exynos 1380 in the A54. Now, it's rumored to feature the latest Exynos 1480, a promising upgrade. According to Geekbench 6 results, this new SoC is expected to be paired with an unconventional GPU choice, the Eclipse 530, based on AMD's RDNA2 architecture. While the CPU improvements may not be groundbreaking, the shift in GPU could potentially enable the A55 to support ray tracing in games, although this feature is yet to be confirmed. The A55 prototype scored 1127 in the single-core test and 3090 in the multi-core test, surpassing the A54 by a slight margin. The device is expected to retain 8 GB of RAM, maintaining a balance between performance and efficiency. Cameras. Shifting our focus to the camera setup, rumors suggest that the Galaxy A55 might not bring significant changes in this department. The Galaxy Club report suggests no major changes, but that's not necessarily bad news. The A54 delivered impressive photos for its price. While the rear camera setup seems consistent, unfortunately, there's no news on any front camera updates. If the leaks are accurate, the Galaxy A55 might continue to use the same 32-megapixel front camera sensor as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the A54's front camera delivers decent performance, some users may have hoped for an upgrade given the iterative nature of smartphone releases. Battery and charging. Now onto the Galaxy A55's battery and charging. TÜV Rheinland certification reveals 25 VLU fast charging with 9V and 2.55 as support. The 3C certification reinforces Samsung's dedication to fast charging in mid-range phones. While exact battery details are limited, we anticipate reliable 5,000 mAh cell for extended usage. Network and connectivity. Moving on to network and connectivity, the Bluetooth SIG certification reveals that the Galaxy S55 will sport Bluetooth 5.3, matching the capabilities of its predecessor, the A54. Consistent connectivity ensures a smooth user experience, especially with wireless accessories. Software. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the software. The Galaxy S55 is gearing up for launch with Android 14 and Samsung's One UI 6, promising a seamless and user-friendly experience. This combo suggests exciting enhancements to Samsung's ecosystem. Plus, users can anticipate robust software support with the possibility of receiving 4 major Android updates throughout the device's lifespan. Stay tuned for those latest Android advancements.